How to connect or pair your Beat Studio buds directly to your LG TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we got to do is go to our LG TV, go to the settings. If you look on your remote, you may have a settings button that looks like a gear icon right there. If not, we can go from the TV. To go from the TV, just go ahead and press the home button first. Press the home button. Okay, and then you'll get this, press it again. And the top right hand side, you see the gear icon. So let me go up over there, and I'm going to move over to the right, the settings icon right there, settings. Now I'm going to click on OK. Now you should get this this menu here in the right pane here. What you want to do is just go down, down, down. Right there it says sound out, internal TV speaker. So it's currently the audio is coming out my internal TV speaker. We're going to change that to Bluetooth. Okay, so click on that. So now we don't want that, so we're going to press to the right on the remote. Internal speaker, no. Move to the right. Optical, no. Move over to the right. HDMI ARC, no. Move over to the right. Bluetooth. And Bluetooth is kind of faded out. What you want to do is just go down now, down arrow on your remote, and go right there where it says device selection. Click on OK. And give it 1 second here to load. Okay, so here's our Bluetooth. Now I have a bunch of other current paired earbuds and headphones, but what we're gonna do is now you can see, sorry, on the bottom there it says search. It's already searching, okay? So now all you gotta do is put your buds in pairing mode. To put it in pairing mode, just open it up and it should start blink. You should get a white blinking light, okay? White blinking light. It's still searching, it didn't find it yet. But anyway, if you don't get a, oh wait, did it, okay. Hold on. So I didn't find it. Let me just search it again. I probably opened it too late. Let's do a search again. Let's see if it finds it. It's still blinking white. Oh, there it is. Beat Studio Buds. Now, if it doesn't blink, if it's maybe a solid white light, it's probably trying to connect to a different device or it's connected to a different device. What you can do is manually put it into pairing mode, which is a little button here on top here. So what you can do right there is just press and hold about 5 or 6 seconds. Just keep on holding until you see a white blinking light. As soon as you see a white blinking light, usually takes about 5 or 6 seconds, then just go ahead and let go. Okay? Anyway, so if I go back to my TV here, it did find my Beat Studio Buds, so I'm going to go down, or just make sure it's highlighted in that fuchsia color over there. I'm going to click on OK on the remote, and give it 1 second here. It said Beat Studio Buds is connected. You can see the check mark on there, so it's currently connected. Okay? Pretty simple. Questions or issues? Comment below. Good luck, guys.